There's my job for today. Bloody screw in the back tyre of the Jag. Bloody new tyre that is as well. So what, brand new tyre, well not brand new, about 3 months old or something. Bugger, that screw's come from here, that is out the garage or something. Right, I'm going to do a puncture repair on it. And there's the offending article. The end of some kind of a screw. Okay, I'm going to use this little kit that I've bought online. See if it's any good. If it's any good, we'll keep it with the vehicles then, just as an emergency thing on the road. Okay, first jobs then. Need to let all the air out the tyre. I'm just going to warm up the tyre just to dry it off. So whatever we do with it, it's going to have a good bond. Okay, so this is what's in the kit. So there's like a file to put in and clean out the hole, some little bungs, little knife. This tool is for inserting these strip bungs, which are for sort of larger holes, and some glue as well to go around the bungs. So what I'm going to do, because it's only a small hole, I'm going to use one of these little bungs that comes in the pack. So I'm going to use one of these, and it sort of screws into where the damage is, and we'll put a little bit of glue around it as well, although it's already got some bonding on it, as you can see. Okay, so I'm just going to clean the hole a little bit to start with. Okay, so I'm going to use this little grub screw. Just turn that to the side, Sam. That's it. Okay, and it's got that bonding on it, as you can see. And so we'll screw that into the hole, and also just drop a little bit of glue on it as well, just for good measure. So just going to put a little bit of glue into the hole. We'll screw the grub screw in. Let's put some glue on the grub screw. There we go. Right, so I'm now going to screw this into the hole. Beautiful. Beautiful. And that's it, and it's just there. We'll let that set and then blow the tyre up. Well, it should have cured by now. It's been a good half an hour plus, so we'll get some air pressure into the tyre now, see how it goes. Okay, so I've just tested it, put some water on it, and there's no leaks whatsoever. Superb. Lovely job, lovely job. Oh my god. So there we go, guys. So that's it then, guys. The puncture is repaired for about £7. I think it's about £7. I'll put a link in the description below to either that kit or something similar. Show you this kind of thing that we bought. But yeah, we're going to keep that kit in the motorhome just in case we have a breakdown. It's quite handy now. I mean, £7, and I think there's about 10 repairs left in it or something, providing the glue stays good, of course. But yeah, quite handy actually to keep in your motorhome, just in case you get into trouble, you get a puncture. You do need you need a foot pump or something, or a little compressor to blow the tyre up. But yeah, quite handy I think, especially if there's no garages around, or you've got no recovery service, that kind of thing. So right, we're off, and we'll catch you again soon. Take care.